What if Hiccup and Toothless were secretly the real villains of the entire franchise? Think about it. For years, Vikings constantly talk about killing dragons, but across all the movies, we almost never actually see a Viking kill one on screen. Then there's Hiccup, the only Viking we directly watch take down a dragon, the Red Death. And Toothless? Throughout the franchise, dragons are rarely shown killing humans. Yet the most heartbreaking death of all, Stoics, was caused by Toothless himself. The two characters we rooted for the entire time are connected to the only major deaths we ever truly see, which suddenly makes the whole story feel a lot darker than we remembered.